wake up. Gotta get this paper, get this makeup. Gotta do my hair, gotta put on makeup. Gotta act like I care about this fake stuff straight up.
Welcome to my channel, you guys. Today I will be bringing you a flat twist out. First off, what you want to do is part your hair down the middle. And once you do that, we're going to put one side in a little bun, keep it out of the way. Now you can detangle your hair. I preferably like to use this shower brush. You can use any tool to your liking, but anyone who knows me knows I cannot live without this shower brush. Now, give yourself a skinny part right behind your hairline. This will only go for the flat twist that you will put on the furthest left and right side. Now you can twist up what you just parted and put it to the side with a clip or something. Now me, I just decided to grab what was near and I grabbed my little pick. Do not mind the little white stuff beside my ear, it's just a little leftover conditioner. Now give yourself a part straight back on the far side. After that, put the rest of the hair away. Now detangle the hair that you just parted just a little bit more. The styler that I will be using today is the Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream. Only get you a little dime-sized amount of the styler. Now one more comb or brush through to make sure the product spreads evenly. To begin your twist, grab the hair just behind where the hair starts. Now grab the hair in the front and twist it around. Grab and twist, grab and twist. Now you guys, make sure you do not grab too much, only pinch a little bit. The least amount of hair you grab, the more defined your twist will be. Continue flat twisting towards the back in the same exact pattern. Grab you another dime-sized amount of product to add to the end. Detangle the ends to have a more defined look. When you get to the end, make sure the end is wet. You can do this by wetting a comb and combing through the end. This will definitely help the end become less frizzy and more defined. Make sure you twist your finger around the end, like so. If you want to make sure the end is nice and moisturized, add a little bit more product. The rest of your twists on this side are going to be straight back. Like before, pinch the hair behind where the hair starts. Pinch, grab the front and twist. Grab and twist. Grab and twist. Ooh, I had to get that itch. I promise my hair is not dirty, it's just wet. Finally, the last twist, you guys. Okay, and we're done. This is what your hair should look like when you're done. I originally came up with this hair pattern because I had heat damage in the front. This would really help you guys who love a sew-in. Now you're going to need some Eco Styler gel or any edge control of your choice. Gonna lay them edges, girl. Even though I'm finna go to bed, I like doing this to help get my baby hairs trained to go that way for the next day when I take it down. To get the excess water and product off, I just lay a piece of toilet paper on my edges. Alright you guys, we're done. See you later. Good night. Early the next morning. If you would like, you can add oil to your twist for a more shiny, less frizzy look. But today I was just being lazy and I didn't feel like going to go get the oil. Sometimes if the twist does not unravel itself, you have to untwist it in the opposite direction that it was twisted in. When unraveling, you should see a second piece come from up under the bottom. Just pull it down like so. I'm so sorry you guys, my camera cut off, but all I did was pick it out off camera, but I'll show you guys again. Make sure you pick roots only. Don't forget to lay down baby hairs, girl, with Eco Styler Gel or your favorite edge control. Here we go again with that toilet paper, y'all. Now, so it don't look like I done went to the shop and got a lineup, I grab a pen and I lift some of my hairs. Now, grab your favorite hairspray. This will help your hair fight humidity to reduce frizz when you go out and about. I prefer to use Tresemme with the 5th hold level. And we're done, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Alright, y'all, thank you for oh my god. But for real, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in, and please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell if you want to be a part of the notification game.